After loading your model, you'll need to place it, either manually or by using a marker. This video covers using the marker. This is the recommended approach. Placing a model with markers is applicable only for models loaded in Connect, and requires the markers to have been previously set up in the model. To place a model using a marker, tap Menu. Tap Place Model, and then tap Marker. To get started, pan to view your environment. Next, tap Start. Scan your first marker. You'll need to sway slowly side to side while keeping the marker in the center until the blue circle is filled out. Face the marker squarely without moving until the routine finishes automatically and the model is placed. To add more markers, tap the icon in the top left corner of the screen. Adding markers to the network will assist with the alignment of the model. Additionally, adding markers will assist when the model begins to drift by realigning the model. The blue circle, Marker Scan Routine, may or may not appear. This depends on how much you have drifted since the last marker scan. It is important to note that markers are universal for all models across the Connect project, so the models need to share a common coordinate system. For example, you can create markers in the structural steel model and then place the mechanical services model using those markers. Visualization stability performance can vary by device. Most recent devices tend to work better when using Trimble Connect AR. Here are some of the recommended devices: the M1 iPad, the iPhone 12 Pro and above, and the latest Android device. The next video in the series demonstrates the use of the Connect AR mini apps.